the positive vibe that was just in the room with all of this wonderful collaborative idea sharing that was just going on. We're going to continue this theme with another town hall information sharing session. We've got a great series of panelists that are going to be here with us. Kate Miller with the Comox Valley Regional District. Cowichan. I was reading the name tag where you've all got it scratched out, so I must have saw the name tag first. My apologies. I've known Kate for a while. Kate and I have been sharing a lot of information very recently on some of the challenges they're facing there. We're going to be collaborating in the future. Tim Pringle is with the Partnership for Water Sustainability of BC. Tim is going to be here talking about some of his precedent-setting work he's been doing on the ecological accounting protocol, which is actually a methodology that he has been working on to actually develop and quantify the value of creeks. Pete Laws, you know, one of our stewards, very passionate biologist, is going to be here, continuing to share with us. Tim Ennis, Executive Director with the Land Trust, is also here. He's going to share with us some of his stories. I was worried about I was going to say the wrong thing again. And Mark Britton with the Cowichan Valley Regional District with their... Now, did I get that wrong as well? I'm kind of thinking you might have done this to me on purpose. Kim, is that your fault? My apologies to everyone. Yes, I deserve a bun for that. So, with that, the panel is going to lead you through a short series of presentations, and then the floor is going to open up and the dialogue is going to flow, and we're going to take advantage of all this knowledge up here at the table. So Kate, you're up.